with Kollar Kayak Launch Systems, and today we're introducing the Kollar Kayak Launch Assist Buddy.
The Kayak Launch Assist Buddy is a retractable platform that is mounted to an elevated boat dock and is used for safely assisting kayak users to enter and exit their kayaks from a stable platform. It can also be used to safely assist individuals to get in and out of the water from an elevated dock. This product is intended to safely help people enter into their kayak from an elevated boat dock with the use of a stationary platform with relative ease. It allows a person to put their kayak onto the platform and safely sit into the kayak, then use the assistant handrail to pull them safely into the water.